Learn how to view your individual prices in the Festo online shop and where the delivery times are displayed. To do this, please first log in with your user account and password in the login area. Search for the desired product via the central search and select it. You can now see your individual price on the product page. You can also click on Calculate Delivery Date on the right-hand side. The current delivery date is calculated and displayed in real time. Alternatively, you can enter the Festo part number directly in the shopping cart. Once you have entered it, the delivery date and the individual prices will be displayed.